In this video, we will make our map more interactive by showing some information when a user clicks on the marker. Google Maps provides a built-in component called InfoWindow. It's like a little pop-up that appears when you click on a marker. We can customize it to show text, HTML, or even images. We can create an info window using google.maps.infowindow object. We can specify the content to display. This can be any HTML content, including images. To open the info window, we need to connect it to the marker. For that, let's assign the marker to an object. Let's add a click event listener on the marker. And in the callback function, we will open the info window. Info window dot open. Specify the map object and the marker. Let's try it out. I will refresh the page and click on the marker. And there it is, a pop-up that says welcome to New York City. You can put any message here, details about a location, directions, or even some links. And that's how easy it is to add info windows and assign it to a marker.